Good day everyone. By the way, I'm Angel Marie Imbistal, 20 years of age, and taking up the course Bachelor of Secondary Education, majored in English. So for today's video, I'll be delivering my report in living in the IT era. The topic that I have chosen is the web. The web or the World Wide Web consists of information organized into web pages containing text and graphic images. The World Wide Web is a larger collection of interconnected documents or content. It contains hypertext links or highlighted keywords and images that lead to related information. A collection of linked web pages that has a common theme or focus is called a website. The main page that all of the pages on a particular website are organized around a link back to is called the site or the home page. Sir Timothy John Berners, are also known as Tim BL, is an English engineer and computer science based known as the inventor of the World Wide Web. He is a professional fellow of computer science at the University of Oxford and a professor at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. There are three types of web. First is the Web 1.0 or the read-only static web. It is an old internet that only allows people to read from the internet. First stage worldwide linking web page and hyperlink. Web used as information portal. It uses table to position and align elements on page. Most read-only web focus on company's homepage. Example, mp3.com, homepage, directories page, views, HTML portal. The disadvantage of Web 1.0 is read-only web, limited user interaction, and lack of standards. Next type will be the Web 2.0 or read-write interactive web, a term used to describe a new generation of web services and applications with an increasing emphasis on human collaboration. It is a platform that gives users the possibility to control their data. This is about the user-generated content and the read-write web allows the user to interact with a page known as dynamic page. Instead of just reading a page, the user may be able to comment or create a user account. Dynamic page refers to the web page that are affected by user input or preference. It focuses on the ability for people to collaborate and share information online by social media, blogging, and web-based communities. Example of Web 2.0 are social networking, blog, wikis, video sharing sites. The key feature of Web 2.0 first is the taxonomy. It allows users to categorize and classify and arrange information using freely chosen keywords. Next will be the rich user interface. Content is dynamic and it's responsive to user input. An example will be a website that shows local content. Next will be the user participation. The owner of website is not the only who is able to content. Others are able to place a content on their own by means of comments, reviews, and evaluation. Next will be the long tail, a service that offers on the demand rather than on a one-time purchase. This is a synonymous to subscribing to a data plan that charges you for the amount of time spent on internet or a data plan that charges you for the amount of bandwidth you used. Next type will be the Web 3.0 or the Read-Write Intelligent Web, suggested name by John Markoff of the New York Times for the third generation of the web. In this generation, all the application of the web or mobile will be upgraded with more feature. It applies same principles as Web 2.0 or two-way interaction. Web 3.0 will be more connected, open, and intelligent with semantic web technologies, distributed databases, natural language processing, machine learning, machine reasoning, and autonomous agents. There are types of website. First is the e-commerce website. It is a website that people can directly buy product from. You probably use a number of e-commerce websites. Before, most big brands are plenty of smaller ones have one. Any website that includes a shopping cart and a way for you to provide credit card information to make a purchase fails into this category. Next type is the business website. It's any website that devoted to representing a specific business. It should be branded like the business and communicate the types of products or the service that business offer. Next will be the entertainment website. If you think about your internet browsing habits, you can probably think of a few websites that you visit purely for entertainment purposes. The next will be the portfolio website, a site devoted to showing examples of past work services providers use to want to show potential clients the quality of the work they provide. Can use a portfolio website to collect some of the best examples of the past they've done. This site is simpler to build than business website and more focused on a particular task. Next will be the media website. It collects news stories or other reporting. There's some overlap here, the entertainment website, but media websites are more likely to include reported pieces in addition or instead of content meant purely for entertainment. Next will be the brochure website, a simplified form of business website for business that knows they need an online presence but don't want to invest a lot in a simple brochure site that includes just a few pages that lay out the basic of what you do and provide contact information may be enough for you. Next will be the non-profit website. In the same way that business need website to be their online presence, non-profits do as well. A non-profit website is the easiest way for many potential donors to make donation and will be the first place many people look to learn more about a non-profit and determine if they want to support it. Next will be the educational website. The website of educational institution and those offering online courses fall into this category of educational website. These websites have the primary goal of either providing educational materials to visitors or providing information on an educational institution to them. Next will be the Infopreneur website, a website that overlaps a bit of business and e-commerce website, but they represent a unique type of online business. Entrepreneurs create and sell information products that could be in the form of courses, tutorials, video, or ebooks. Next will be the personal website. Not all the websites exist to make money in the same way or another. Many people find a value in creating personal websites to put their own thoughts out in this world. This category includes personal blogs, and photo diaries people share their work. Next will be the web portal, our open website designed for internal purposes for business, organization, or institution. They collect information in different formats from different sources into one place to make all the relevant information accessible to the people who need to see it. They often involve a login and personal views for different users that ensure the information that accessible is most useful to their particular needs. And lastly will be the wiki or community forum website. Most people are familiar with this wiki through the most famous example of one out there. First is the Wikipedia, but wikis can be created on pretty much any subject that can imagine. A wiki is any website where various users are able to collaborate on content and all make their own tweets and changes as they see it. There are wikis for fan communities, for business resources, and for collecting valuable information sources. And that's all. Thank you.